imali ye-social. Ngabe
uthini futhi?
ngitry speaking.
Ngubani Tebo?
Ngibudala.
Okay. Hello. Sure. Yaphila kunjani? Sure. Bayasitshela. No, sizokubuza uma ngisho naye ungaphakathi kwe-social club, umntwana wakhe ngisho. Simbuza ngendlela ekubereke kangakhona emalini ze-social club. Angitsho kunemali ze-social club nawe uyazazi, sifuna ukubuza isayiti lakhe. Angazi mhlawumbe unenkinga ngalokho.
Yeah, problem.
Ithini i-problem?
I-problem ukuthi loyo muntu enombuza lapho. Manje akhona amamemba waleyo social club and then ngayobuza wona.
Sinabo labo ngitsho baphelele.
Yilalela chief. Ningabuzi yena. Ngoba nayo remember just like them angisho.
Ya angikuzwisisi mina yazi ukuthi utsho njani.
Ngitshela ukuthi mina njengoba nilapho nomuntu enifuna lapha akekho angisho.
Ngimuphi umuntu osemfunako? Sifuna bonke be-social club.
Bakhelele lapho.
Yes. Choda yena lo uthi nguye simfunako.
Walala chief na. Number 1, laba ndawo. Ngikhulume nawo. And if ba continue ngaleyo nto leyo yabo leyo. Angeke ngibanikeze imali yabo.
Kanti nguwe uthi imali. So now uthi angeke ubanikeze ngaliphi like yini yeah.
Angeke bazoyithola imali yomali. Because I sacrifice my own mind. Ukuze babhadaleke.
Mina ngizwisisi yazi kunento engayizwisisi mputi ngawe ngoba ngiyakuzwa ufonile uthi sekwenze loudspeaker but mina indaba yokuthi wena nguwoza ukubhadela ngiyazi asikazelanga leyo thina.
Tumisho.
Khuluma ngani lapha?
No lalela ithi bayikhulume wena Tumisho ngoba sekubonakala ngathi imali leyo ayikho angisho. So ene ushile wena ukuthi ukhulumile nabo labo ukhuluma nabo la e-socialini and then mangabe wathi wena mayishoda la ishoda khona imali leyo wena uzoyigcwalisa ngisho.
Ukhuluma nomona ukufuni. Ukhuluma nomunye, ukhuluma nomthembu, ukhuluma nobhili. Sure Tumisho. Lalela. Yazi wayesilampeni. Senza i-follow up ngendaba yemali. Le wena oza nayo ukuthi ukhulume namanye ama-members we-Islam. Asiyazi ngithi.
That's my problem.
Yeah, so nasila.
Very well. What I talk to them. And I tell you, the only thing which I did communicate with Chana.
Yeah. Yabona ngikulalele. Nato mukhuluma mina nami ngilalele.
Nakhuluma na Chana. And then I'm there okay, man. When the issue so I said okay, fine. When I get there, we are in what I call if you have to sacrifice who you know what to sort out the social. Of which you are supposed to meet Bashir up, I think now is 16. And by then, if you want to really it will be we are not there, it's okay. If it's now, and if ever, no what you want to call it, if ever, you might and then we must make sure we are paid because the way to work accord. What is by and which is something that I want you to tolerate. Third ibroda amaphoyisa ngakhuluma nabo secondly wenze still after ngikhulume nabo They created a fake account. Now,
yeah, so
it doesn't matter, but if they continue like this, what I'm saying would, at the end of the day, then we have to take it the other route.
which other route? Then give him that other route on the time, my brother. He tried them, my brother, Maravias. Okay.
Yeah, it's fine. And then so they don't have to disrespect the sister one. That's what pisses me off.
Okay, so it, and who says that I call you Islamini?
Okay.
Yeah, no, my brother, I've seen the blue season.
They don't have to harass her. That's what pisses me off with some harass. And what they're doing right now,
Lalela, my brother. You talk to the Kulma Kamari Kulmina. Uzong Lalela. Sure. Being such a routine from identical force. Better kwami. Mufuni ndwe engifuna kuphela mina. Ukuthi nesala ni channel anginanda abafuthi ngingeni. Number 2, thina sila ku sister yakho because sizofuna ukuzwa iside lakhe le story lokuthi imali uyayazi akayazi na. So now wena uvela nenye ivision ye story yokuthi imali uyibhadela. Ngizengakafiki ekutheni imali ibhadale kanjani. Ngisabuza ukuthi imali uyayazi akayazi na. So nasukuluma indaba yokubhadela asiqhubekile yakho yokubhadela. Uthi ukubhadela malini my brother?
I said no matter how much you have, I'll pay.
Okay.
If we sell and see,
Ubani
I
umchana?
was talking to her about, yeah.
Okay.
Only if we sell and see. But if she didn't use it, they agreed on who to share.
Okay, idate le indlulile muslim kwenzakalani from there?
Kushara nge 15.
15.
Yeah, kushara nge 15 social. Yeah.
Social.
Umthetho bonjalo vela
Ayileka singeni.
Uzomhlukumeza ngikhona la.
Leka singeni.
Namuntu okuhlukumeza omunye ngikhona.
Le yabo ya.
Kanti imali ofakazana
simhlukumeza senze basho size la basho number 1 size lana
Islam sonke
size lana sazoharasa sesakhe seza la seza namaphoyisa sazoharasa
why buso sakho esina amaphoyisa.
Okay, ithi ngiqhubeke then.
singabantu size namaphoyisa ekubenisenza sahlala la the holiday sisodwa akhona usesakhe if ever bekunento ebheke sifuna ukuyenza usesakhe sabhalelwa yini ukuyenza lokho.
No chayisa my brother just tell us la.
Akakhambise swara azobona idoti leli ikhulumayo. Wona ngifuna malami. Mina ngifuna malami.
Kamari ungachayisi uba 30 minutes uze.
Zomlinda.
Ukude ukubuka my brother.
Ma uyachayisa.
Okay, nasiqhubeke mama siyakubela kuyimfowethu. Mama.
Okay, yeah. Ngifuna ukuthi singene nendabeni savings out of 3 signarities. Fakuphi amanye ama signarities ke ngibuza. wena ukujamelene. Okay. So imali mani yoyideposita like anibuyi neslip naniyifake ngaphakathi in lip. So nawe usurprise ukubona ngiyabona ama 5000 angena ngokuphunyelwa.
Actually ndina nokuchasela ibank le lapho thina ibank bathi imali uyayifaka ibank ne maqedwe uyifaka uyithumela iya continue social manje ithina sine app C3 sithumela imali social so yena ukosela ayifakile imali athatha imali ayithumele ngani WhatsApp app iya continue isocial no yena uyifake ngapha azange yenze next of it uhlale ngeke ngapha zothi imali amela ngihlale ngapha mina idlulise imkhaya imali iye ngapha kodwa ekhona imali ngoyifast rate kanti badidla ama charges amaningi
So aningayiboni na beningayicala.
bese ngicala ebile mina ngifuna ngichange ebhangi nayo vele.
So okay ngaphakathi kwaleyo account leyo ngicabanga ukuthi idle ama charges imali leyo ke.
Ngicela ukuthi senze so. Ngicela ukuthi mina ngithi for imali le nayiloko i-deposit ngicela ukuthi siyipheni i-3,000 rand sithi ngeyama charges siyiphani siyiphi 3,000 rand
imali leyo ke
Ungasipha 3,000.
siyipha 3,000
nawe 3,000 yamacha imali yayo
Angisho bathi yahle.
yeah
So thina sipha 3,000.
na uziphethe sandleni la
Sibawale SM. Sibi ibank card i-3,000.
Anyazi.
wena uko ngapha ngaku
Finance.
Mara nabo
ngisho ngapha ngaku
Yeah.
ngaku
Angisho ibhaliwe.
mama wena awuyifuni mama
No, ibhaliwe ngiyafuna ngisho sibeke ngoba sifuna.
yeah
Sonke sibeke ngoba sifuna.
imali ithi 54,000 and then 65 rand.
ngikho ni 3,000 ibank
sayipha siyipha charges futhi ayitransfer so la soloko sahlala salinda silinda umntwana wakhe umama wakhe wamfonela ngoba yena ngithi uyakhona ukumthola efonini ngithi nasi khona ukumthola so sahlala salinda ini salinda umntwana wakhe uyozuma inetwork umama wakhe amtshela athi yazini ngicela ukuthi namhlanje ushare amagama abuya kuphi akabuyi kumama buya kumama ke ngicela ukuthi namhlanje ushare sifuna i-bank statement ayikho i-bank statement selingekho i-bank statement waqela umama ukuthi yazi ukuthini bafuna i-bank statement and babuza mina angeke ngikhonishintshana nabo ngamagama yazi ukuthini enhle lento seyihate kakhulu ngicela ukuthi transfer imali yabo kushare manje so salinde kushare so yen 15 nabo 9 mina ngiyazi ngoba i-date yethu yongidlula ivekele yana kuqeda ukuphela isasa
yazi mama
Mina engikushwile mabeza emethini mayo lekhulunywa beyikhulunywa khona ngithe mina preferably kuya ngami ngathana iya share imali nedi ukuthi ukuphumane umunye nomunye yala yakhona ngisho yilento le mina engishwile ngikhuluma la esocialini.
okay so umntwana kholo wathina uqeda ukuthunjana
No yena azange ngisho ngimtshele mina umuntu amtholile
utholele efonini utholele efonini bekahleli lapha ekuhleli ukuthi hleli boy hleli mina lapha si hleli
ngemeeting le kusho ukuthi ngasho ke
hayi mama ungathi kuthi watsho razangutsho
okay ngathi ngingcono kushare because of sekunelocal sekunomsindo angisho
kumele ngichere i-54,000 nasimupa i-3,000 nichere 51,000
no mina ama-calculation ama-calculation bebawenzile the way bewenze ngakhona
mara mcabanga ubhuti uyazi ukuthi i-50 to 1,000 lemele azoyidiposita njengoba tuyasi
no mina angazi ukuthi uyazi or njani but mina into engiyaziyo ukuthi mina engingantshela kona mina uthe imali ikhona uyayizwisisa yena usetsho ubekho emsebenzini
Ake simfune okay before simfune ake ngicheck wena nakakutshela njengomzali wakhe akakutshela ukuthi imali ikuphi mhlambe
no mina ngazi ikuma saving ngitshela ukuthi imali ikhona ikuma saving
wena ngichanga
whatever kukhona imali okay fine
before by transfer angithi uthe there are 3 signatories
yes
amakhadi mangaki
I3
lipi king linye ikhadi apha amakhadi ayi-2
amakhadi ayi-2 one wabani
yeah
akhona
then na anikhona ukucheck ibalance from ibank
ngisho ikuma savings
imali ifaka ku-personal account abaholi so imali kustock